Hi! In front of me is CUBOT tablet Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to start by opening Devices settings. Now click on Connected Devices and choose Connection Preferences. Finally click on Printing and tap on this default print service, or choose Add Service and install the best one. For example, I have HP printer, so I will go with HP one. Wait for it to download and click on this back button twice. Then click on Printing Service and click on this switcher if it's not already on. Oh, so sorry, that was a misclick. Over here on this switcher. After a couple of seconds, as you can see, my device was successfully connected to a printer. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!